My son absolutely loves Legos and Nintendo, and this Mario Lego set is amazing because it is completely interactive and it's expandable. You can add multiple Mario sets and they all interact with each other. But let me show you what comes in this starter set. You will get 6 bags of Legos, and one of the things you'll see on a lot of the Legos are barcodes, and that is how the whole thing interacts. And then you'll get this box. This is Mario, and he is the main piece, and you can get a variety of characters as you expand, but the gist is that he will scan on his bottom as he goes over different blocks and jumps on Goombas, collecting coins and taking out enemies. Now he powers by 2 AAA batteries, but you do need the batteries and a small Phillips head screwdriver to open them up. So be prepared so your kid can play with this as soon as you give it to them. Powers on and off and does connect to an app. It's all very interactive. So know that you will be using an app with this if you want the full features. But with this set, you get a variety of obstacles and courses for Mario to jump over, and you can then start building upon it. And using an app doesn't start when you start playing with Mario. You actually need to use the app from the beginning to actually build the set. It doesn't come with paper instructions. This is a very screen-focused Lego set. Not bad, but something to be aware of if you're trying to get your kids off screens. Instead, the quick start guide basically tells you to download the app and shows you just how cool it'll be once it's all set up. Now this is my unboxing video. Next video, I'll put it together and show you how it all works. I hope this helps you make a decision. I know my son is gonna be really excited about this.